What is up, guys? We are here at the learning grounds. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. The clouds are gone, the rain is gone, the sun is out, and I hope you are all doing amazing. Today we are going to learn how to do the Kun spin. Trick can also be called a hook spin, a no-handed lung spin. There's a couple of names for it. It's called a Kun spin because it was invented by the rider Adam Kun. By the way, one of my favorite riders of all time. So check him out if you don't know him. And yeah, I'm here to teach you how to do it. This how-to was requested by my friend from Nigeria, Udenkwere. I probably said your name completely wrong, I'm sorry, but let's get on with it. So before learning how to do the Kun spin, the first thing you want to make sure you can do is a lung spin. I have another how-to for that. You can check it out in the description. I'll put a link down there. Basically, you want to make sure that you have the lung spin or the time machine really dialed, like proper, no mistakes. You can spin it for as long as you want and even pump it. Before taking your hands off, you really want to make sure you got that trick. Now, while the lung spin or the time machine is the base for this trick, it is a little bit different. The first thing that's going to be different is your pedal position. Instead of having them straight, your pedal is going to be up and down. If you spin to the right, you will want your right pedal up so that you can hook it with your foot, but we'll get to that. So once you can get the lung spin pretty damn good, you want to try to get your foot into position. Don't try to hook your foot yet or try to let go of the bars. Just try to get your foot straight past the seat and under the pedal, and just try to spin in that position at first. Again, don't let go yet. Get good at spinning in this position. Then, the next step is, of course, learning how to let go of the bars. Or, first up, hooking the foot on the bike so that the bike doesn't fly away when you let go. You will want to make sure that you are really stable in your lead foot, which is the foot that is on the peg. So if you spin to the right, your left foot will want to be really stable. You'll want to make sure it's concrete, there's no wobbling, no shaking. Just make sure you have control over the bike and your body. The foot that you're going to be hooking under the pedal, you want to make sure that the top of your foot is comfortably under the pedal, and then rest the seat against your shin, side of your shin / calf. And this will support the bike even more when you let go of the bars and start spinning no-handed. Hook foot, you'll also want to flex that foot. So point your toes up and flex your thigh muscles, as in pull the bike up towards you. You will notice that the bike will lean slightly more when you get into this position, and that's okay. Just make sure that you don't practice it on wet ground. I have no other options, but please don't practice this trick on wet ground if you can't do it. It is extremely dangerous and I do not recommend it. So you're spinning, your left foot, your lead foot is really stable. You have a good hook under the pedal. The seat is resting against the side of your leg. You're pulling up with your leg. It is now time to let go of the bars. This will be really scary at first. I remember when I was first learning it, I didn't have a tutorial or anything to look at. So I just went for it. I just wanted to try it. I just examined how other riders were doing it, and then I tried it myself. And let me tell you, I fell a lot. It took me like 2 to 3 weeks to figure out the balance point and be able to spin it. When you let go of the bars, make sure you keep the same tension in your leg. You want to keep the bike in the same position and stay in the same exact balance point for the entire spin. And like I already mentioned, the bike will tend to lean more once you let go of the bars. That's okay, but try not to let it lean too much or else you're risking slipping out of spin, and no one wants that. You want to make sure that you keep your abdominal muscles and your core really engaged to avoid any wobbling or any change in position, and just to keep everything nice and stable while spinning no-handed, especially because you're no-handed, so it's extra dangerous to fall from this trick. So make sure that you have control over your body and your bike. Now you can spin this trick for as long as you want. Chris Bohm set a record of spinning it for like 40 seconds. I think that's his world record. I can't remember how many spins he got, but he just locks into the position and pumps it for as long as he wants. So if you learn how to pump it, you can really keep it going forever. and it is an extremely good trick for shows. It is great for competitions. It's great to link up with your other back wheel tricks and put into a back wheel combo. It's just an overall great trick, and in my personal opinion, it's not very difficult. Obviously you have to get really good at the lung spin and time machine, but other than that, like once you get those tricks down, then learning the hook spin really isn't too difficult. It's just about breaking through that fear of going no-handed and just doing it. So once you feel like you've spun enough, or you just want to land it, basically you just grab the bars and go back into your lung spin or time machine and just land it like you would those tricks. There isn't really any specific way of grabbing the bars. You just grab them as soon as you can or as soon as you want, and yeah, keep spinning or just land it straight away, slam the front wheel down, and that's it. You got your first Kun spin, hook spin, no-handed lung spin. Well done. So again, let's go through it. Get really good at the lung spin or time machine. Make sure you're really stable in your body. Hook your free foot under the pedal, rest the seat against your shin, let go of the bars. You can spin the bars, by the way, as well for extra style. That's up to you. Grab the bars, keep spinning, and just land. And that's pretty much it for the Kun spin. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Share this video with everyone. Try this trick yourself. And yeah, I just hope I could help. If you've been wanting to learn this trick, if you've been wanting some tips on this trick, then I hope this video could help you. And yeah, smash that like button down below. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are, then liking the video is enough. Leave your requests for the next how-to down below. Thank you to Che for suggesting this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Starting to believe that I just dream for a living. I couldn't play it safe, that's way too risky for me. Instead I'm walking out of shows with like 250 on me. I couldn't sit around and wait, I had to hustle on it. Too busy looking for success, that's how I stumbled on it. Russ got the potion, fuck just hoping. Luck tends to bet on the ones in motion.